EasyWring shoppers, I've got a mop refill for your O-Cedar or Veleta mops. This is the EasyWring Deep Clean. Now this is a variation on the mop head that comes with the O-Cedar or Veleta mop system that you can see in the picture here. Now they advertise this as being 40% more cleaning power as a microfiber mop than the standard EasyWring ones. Let's get into why that is. Now, just to be sure that you understand this does not go with the rinse clean system. This is the EasyWring system and they have put some extra thinking into designing this to make it an even stronger cleaner for your floors. Let's open it up and see what makes this such a great cleaning mop. Now, one of the differences in this mop to the other one is they've added in some tougher fibers. These red fibers that you see in the mop are actually a tougher fiber than the microfiber mop that is just the standard EasyWring. But this is the secret weapon. This right here is a microfiber scrubbing pad. And it's got microfiber strings all the way around it, and then this really great scrubbing pad for 40% more cleaning power. And it works really great on textured surfaces. My kitchen has textured surfaces on the tile floor, and I find it's really hard to keep clean sometimes. Kitchens are high traffic areas, and the dirt and the grime, especially like at the sink and at the stove, really gets ground into the tiles. And I love this scrubber. I can really push and work hard and get that built up grime off of the floor. They also say with the O-Cedar mops, this particular design does a really great job of helping to remove bacteria. The company also says that you don't need to use bleach or detergent to clean your floors if you are using their O-Cedar EasyWring mop system. You can also get some really cool little pods that you drop into your mop system. They are the O-Cedar pods, and they are a pre-measured amount of detergent that you can add in there that dissolves very quickly and helps to remove that grease and dirt from hard floors to give you an even deeper clean. Another thing about this Deep Clean EasyWring mop, another great thing about the EasyWring Deep Clean refill pad is that it's machine washable. You can just take this right off your mop and throw it in the washing machine. They do still recommend that you want to replace your mop head about every 3 months. Now, I often have more than one mop head on the go at the same time because I use one for the kitchen and then I use one for all the bathrooms. As well, I like to have one that I use just on the hardwood floors, and these are so great. They do not leave any streaks behind on any hardwood floors. I love them for that. If you are looking for a really great addition to your cleaning team, these O-Cedar EasyWring Deep Clean refills for your mop are fantastic. They've got 40% more cleaning power, this really awesome pad that's built in, this really nice microfiber with the addition of the tougher microfiber red threads throughout the mop head, and they are recommended to last at least 3 months. I love them. They are definitely cleaning powerhouse team. They are definitely a family favorite at my house.